see if everyone can hear me. Is it Trin? Hi there, Trin. Welcome to the lesson. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you clearly. Hello, teacher.
Hi there. Nice to meet you. Thank you, Miss Trin. Very good. Then I see Jasmine. Can you hear me, Jasmine? Welcome.
Hello, teacher. Good to
Hi
meet
there.
you.
Okay. Very good. Good to meet you too. Wonderful. All right. Then I see it is Hue. Hi, Hue. Can you hear me, Hue? Welcome to the lesson.
Hi, teacher. Nice to meet
Okay.
you.
Wonderful. Thank you, Miss Hue. Nice to meet you too. Welcome everyone to the lesson. So we'll see if there's two other students who might join us. We'll see if they join us later. Then I'll just greet them. But otherwise, let's begin our lesson. Uh, like I said, so I'm teacher Quentin, and today we are doing a writing lesson. So let's see if we can practice a little bit how to write something today. I think I will start maybe look at this picture. Maybe Miss Trin, can you describe to me what can you see in this picture, Miss Trin?
Yeah, I see a man and a woman. They are in a clothes store.
Right, clothes store. That's right. Okay, very good. They are in a clothes store, and you can see there's different types of clothes. Um, Tell me, Miss Trin, do you like to go shopping for clothes or not really?
Yeah, but actually, I really like to go shopping.
Okay, do you like to
Yeah,
shop in stores or online shopping? Which one is better?
yeah, yeah. In store is better for me
Oh,
because I
okay.
want to try by myself before
Yes,
I
that's
buy it. Yeah.
I see. Okay, right. Yes, of course. When you shop online, you cannot try them on, right? So you have to go in store. All right, very good. Thank you for sharing, Miss Trin. So for today's lesson, we are going to learn how to write a style profile. So a little bit more about that later. Let's quickly look at this picture. This is called, this man is Lucian, and he's on a website, okay? But he wants to shop online for clothes. Now let's see what do they want? What are they asking from him? He needs to sign up. Can I ask Miss Jasmine, can you read the red block? What do they need from him? Can
Uh,
you read there?
yes,
Mhm.
dress well. We can help you to choose the best clothing items. Sign up
Okay.
and create a your style profile.
Very good. Right. Thank you, Miss Jasmine. So that is actually the style profile that we're going to learn about today. He needs to write about his style, right? His clothes that he wears. Let me see. I think somebody joined us. Is it Catherine? Hi there, Catherine. Can you hear me? Welcome.
Good evening, teacher. I can hear you.
Good evening. All right, very good. Thank you for joining us. Have just started and we're talking about how to write a style profile. All right, so this man, Lucian, he needs to write his style profile. Now, what does he write? So let's see, maybe Miss Hue. Miss Hue, what color does he like to wear? Can you see there? Which colors does he like?
I think he likes red or something with warm color.
Definitely red. Yes, he's got a red shirt in the picture as well as a t-shirt there on the side. Yes, he likes to wear red. And tell me, Miss Huey, does he like formal clothes or do you think casual clothes? Which one does he like?
Uh, I think he likes the casual style.
Casual style. That's right. Very good. Thank you. Very good. So we already know two things about Lucian. The question today is how does Lucian write a style profile? Okay, so let's start the lesson to find out what's the answer to this question. Just quickly, the objectives, everyone. By the end of today's lesson, you'll be able to use some vocabulary about styles. Number two, you'll be able to use the quantity expressions with specific nouns, which we will do a bit later in the lesson about what you wear. And number three, we are going to try to write our own style profile by the end of the lesson. So let's begin and see if we can do that. Just first a few vocabulary activities. I'm going to ask maybe Miss Catherine, can you start for us? The picture, there's a sentence. Can you choose the correct word to fill the blank? You can read the sentence if you don't mind.
The blues make her appearance more beautiful.
Appearance, good. You can also do, I think every person can do 2 of them. There's enough for everyone to do 2. So Miss Catherine, what is this one? You can try this one.
For work, I usually dress in a white shirt.
Dress in a white shirt. That's right. Thank you, Miss Catherine. Let me ask Miss Trin. Can you try this one, Miss Trin?
Yeah. They dress formally when they are at the company.
Very good. Yes, at the company you must be formal, right? Formal and professional. Very good. What about this one, Miss Trin?
My favorite accessory is my black watch.
Good pronunciation. You said accessory. You said it very well. Yes. All right. Let's try Miss Jasmine. Can you try this one?
I think attractive.
Okay. Can I ask you, Miss Trin, do you mind just to read this? I'm not Miss Trin. Sorry, Miss Jasmine. Do you mind just to read the sentence? Then you practice your reading a little bit. You can
Okay.
read the whole thing.
Okay.
All right.
The earrings make her appearance more attractive.
All right. Very good. Yes, definitely. Look at those nice earrings. Miss Jasmine, do you like to wear earrings or not really?
No, I don't like.
Oh, okay. All right. Yes, I know some people like earrings and necklace, but other people say no, it's irritating them. It's not really nice. All right, very good. Miss Jasmine, try this one. What about this one? I like to wear, and then
I like to wear a casual outfit every day.
okay, outfit, right, casual. And casual is comfortable, right? It's sometimes the formal outfits are not so comfortable. Thank you so much for sharing that, everyone. That's good. Let's quickly look at our words that we will use today a lot. So first I will say them and then I will ask you to say maybe 2 or 3 of them. All right. So let me start with number 1. Appearance, dress, formally, accessory, attractive, outfit. All right, very good. Miss Hugh, can you try number 1, 2, 3, and 4?
Appearance, dress, formally, accessory.
Appearance.
All right, very good. Just try number 1 again.
Right.
Appearance.
Appearance.
That's all right. That's good. Much better. Thank you, Miss Hugh. Then I'll ask also Miss Catherine. Can you try these 4 in the red block if you don't mind?
Dress.
Yeah. Appearance, dress, accessory, attractive.
Okay, very good.
Dress.
Thank you for that one. That was now who? That was Miss Hugh, right? Who was that now? I forgot now. Who was talking now? Was it Miss Catherine speaking or was it Miss Hugh speaking? I forgot now who this was.
Miss Catherine.
Oh, it was Miss
It's
Catherine
me,
speaking.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. Sorry, I just forgot quickly. I want to ask someone else also. All right. Miss Trin, why don't you try these 3 for me in the red block?
Yes. Accessory, attractive, outfit.
Sounds good. Sounds good. And then I think the last one, Miss Jasmine, can you try those 3 for me in the block, please?
Appearance, dress, formally.
Sounds good. Okay, pronunciation is good. Thanks everyone for sharing that. I think we can move on. So now this next activity, we're going to choose the best option again. So what do you think is this option? After this one, we'll have a quick assignment, right? An activity that I will send you. So let's quickly practice this one. I buy. Now, is it most of my clothes from Mango or I buy most of my clothes? So I think it's an easy one for most of you. Let me ask maybe Miss Jasmine, what do you think is the correct answer?
I think the correct answer is most of my clothes.
Yes, with the S, right? I heard you said the S. Most of my clothes. That's perfect, right? Thank you so much. So now we're going to do the same thing. You will choose the best option. All right. Let me send you the activity, and you have 1.5 minutes to complete the 5 sentences. All right. So you may start, and then when you are finished, everyone, just send the activity back to me. All right. Just choose the best option. Let me just make sure that everybody get the activity. Miss Catherine, did you get the activity? Did you get it?
Yes, I get that.
Okay. All right. Miss Trin, did you get the activity as well?
Yes, I saw it.
Okay. Okay, very good. Thank you.
Excuse me, teacher. I think I haven't get the practice yet.
All right. Miss Yu, let me send it to you again. I hope I don't delete everybody else's answers now. Let me quickly check. I'm going to send it again. I hope I didn't delete all the answers now. Did you find it now, Miss Yu? Did you get it?
I got it now. Thank you.
Miss Catherine, did I delete your answers now? Must you start over or not?
Okay, I can start again.
Oh, I'm sorry. So you had to start over, right? Ah, okay, sorry about that. I had to send it one more time for Miss Yu as well. Miss Jasmine, do you also have to start over when I resent it? Did you have to start over? I hope not. Okay, let me give a few more seconds. All right, everyone. I think we can move on. So there's 5 questions, and we are 4 people in the class today. So maybe I can start with Miss Trin. Miss Trin, why don't you try number 1 for us? Could you read the sentence with the answer, if you don't mind?
Yes, a lot of my clothes are in black, white, and blue.
Very good. A lot of. Thank you. All right, Miss Jasmine, can you try number 2?
None of my clothes are in pink because I don't like this color.
Perfect. Thank you, Miss Jasmine. Miss Hugh, can you try number 3 for me?
Might go wash and rinse as some of my accessories.
Some, yes, some of my accessories. Very good. And then Miss Catherine, you can do number 4 and 5, if you don't mind.
Okay. Half of my clothing items are comfortable and inexpensive. I
Good.
buy all my clothes from the local store.
All my clothes. Yes, very good. Can we just can I ask you, Miss Catherine? So whenever I hear that there's a word that I just want you to say again, right, in the class, everyone, then I'll just quickly ask you to say it one more time, if that's fine with you, just to make sure that you say it right. Can you try this one more time? It's clothes. Clothes.
Clothes.
That's right, because that E is we call it a silent E, right? So we don't say it. It's there, but we don't say it. So we say clothes. We don't say clothes,
Clothes.
right? We say clothes. Yes, there we go.
Clothes.
Perfect,
Yes,
perfect.
thank you, teacher.
All right. You're welcome. Thank you. All right, everyone, let's quickly look at the grammar portion of our lesson. I'm quickly going to explain quantity expressions. All right. So you will see the sentence in the picture. It says, "I buy most of my clothes." So over here, you will see there's a scale. There's a scale from 0% to up to 100%. So if I say, I can use the same sentence when I say, I buy none of my clothes from Mango and Uniqlo, right? None. So not even 1%. So none of my clothes. And then that is how the scale then goes up. Some of my clothes, maybe just a little bit, 2 or 3 of my items is from Mango and Uniqlo. Then we can say half of my clothes. So of course, half, well, everybody knows what half means. That means the other half is from another place, but half is from Mango. And then a lot of, that's more than half, right? And then most of it, that means almost all of them. Almost all of them. Maybe there's 1 or 2 of my clothes that I don't buy there. And then the last 100% is, of course, I buy all my clothes from Mango and Uniqlo, right? Then that means I don't even have any other clothes from another place. All of my clothes is from there. So that is the scale of how we can use quantity expressions. All right, so we will practice that a little bit during the lesson. Let's make another example. We can say all of my clothes are from the local store. Now, just to think quickly, when we use all, right, we can say all my clothes are from the local store, but we can also say all of my clothes. It's your choice. We call it, it's optional, right? So it's your choice. Do I want to say all my clothes are from the local store, or do I want to say all of my clothes? Both of them are correct. Okay, all of them. But we cannot say like the first sentence, I buy most my clothes. Then we have to use of. All right. So it's the only one we can decide if we want to use of or not is all. When we say all of my clothes, then we can choose. All right. So I think now you understand how to use those expressions, and now we will practice them a little bit. Let's look at the picture. This is Kenna, and she wants to write her style profile. So let's find out what she wants to say in her writing. So let me ask you the first one. Maybe I can ask Miss Hugh. Miss Hugh, how does Kenna dress for work? Can you describe this kind of clothes? How does she dress? Is it, can you tell me? Is it
She is
formal or
wearing,
casual? Mhm.
yeah, she is wearing a suit, and it is very formal.
It's very formal, right? So how does she dress for work? She dress formally. Very good. Thank you, Miss Hugh. What about this one? Maybe I can ask Miss Jasmine. Um, the question is how I want my clothes to be. So two things. She wants her clothes to be like this. What will I call that? And also like this. Can you think of something to say there, Miss Jasmine?
I think she wants her clothes is not expensive.
Yes, definitely not expensive, right? Not expensive. And I think this one, I think they mean they want it to be comfortable, right? It must be comfortable, cozy, fit nicely, not too tight, not too loose, just comfortable, right? Very good. Thank you, Miss Jasmine. That's right. Let's look at another one. Remember, she wants to write a style profile, right? What are her 2 favorite clothing items? Miss Trin, can you see that picture? It's a little bit small. What are her
Yeah.
2 favorite clothing items?
I think her favorite item are white shirt and black skirt.
Perfect. Exactly. She likes the white shirt to wear and as well as the black skirt. Right. Perfect. Now let's see, what else must we think of? Oh, we must also think of colors. The colors that she likes to wear and the colors that she doesn't like to wear. Miss Catherine, can you tell me what are the colors that she likes to wear and what about the ones she doesn't like to wear? Can you tell me?
Yes. I think can like to wear the black and white color, and she don't like the blue and red.
Okay, almost. I think so. The thumbs, that hand, the thumb that goes up. She,
Okay.
so
I
huh?
yeah, she like to wear black, white, and blue, and she don't like red.
Perfect. Thank you, Miss Catherine. Yes. So that is what she will include in the style profile, right? Colors she likes to wear, colors she doesn't like to wear. And then we've got, I think, one or two more. Favorite brands, Mango and Uniqlo. Can I ask maybe Miss Trin, do you know these brands? Do you also know them?
Yeah, yeah, I
Okay.
know this brand.
Do you sometimes also buy from these brands or not really?
Uh, or not, I'm not
Oh,
buy any clothes
oh,
in this brand. Yeah.
okay. Okay. All right, it's good. Thank you for that, Miss Trin. Okay, let's look at the last one now. The daily routine is usually the thing she wears every day, right? Like clothes she likes to and things she likes to wear every day. So she likes to walk every day. So we can see when she walks every day, she likes to wear her sneakers, right? Or tackies or sneakers. But accessories, she also likes to wear every day some earrings and a necklace. All right, so that is what she has to put into her style profile. All right, so let's go to our next lesson. Not next lesson, next slide. So can you read number 1 for me? I want us to read a little bit. Before we write, we're going to read a little bit. Miss Catherine, could you read number 1 for me, please? Number 1.
Yeah. For work, I usually dress formally.
Right. So step number 1 is we describe how you dress for school or for work. Okay, that's the first step. How do we dress? Right. Number 2, Miss Hugh, can you read number 2 for me, please?
It's important for clothes to be comfortable and inexpensive.
Very good. Now, number 2, we say how you want your clothes to be. Remember, we are sending the style profile for the online shopping company, right? So they want to know these things so that they can tell you if they have clothes for you, right? So number 2 is very important. How do you want it to be? So comfortable and inexpensive. All right, very good. And then number 3, Miss Jasmine, would you mind reading number 3, please?
Some of my favorite clothing items are my white shirt and black skirt.
Very good. So another thing for the style profile, introduce your favorite clothing. So just like Miss Jasmine just read, for this style profile, it's the white shirt and black skirt. Very good. Now, what about number 4, Miss Trin? Could you read number 4, please?
Yes, I look good in black, white, and blue. So most of my clothes are in this color. None of my clothes are red because I don't like this color.
Right. Important to tell the online company what is your favorite color and what color don't you like, right? So number 4 is you say the colors that you usually or don't usually wear. Thank you. And then number 5, Miss Catherine, could you try number 5 again?
My favorite brands are Mango and Uniqlo. I buy a lot of my clothes from these stores.
Thank you very much, Miss Catherine. So number 5, step number 5 is you mention your favorite brands or your clothing stores so that when some clothes are available from these brands, the company will search these brands for you. And then the last one, number 6, Miss Yu, would you do the last one for us, please?
I walk to work every day, so I usually wear stickers. Also, I love accessories because they make my experience more attractive. I usually wear earrings or necklace.
Thank you so much. Very good. Miss Yu, can I just ask you, can you just say this one for me, if you don't mind, just this word, more attractive, attractive.
More attractive.
There you go. Perfect. Attractive. That's right. Thank you so much. So number 6 is the last one, everyone. For your style profile, you give information about your daily routine and special clothes. So you can say, I walk every day. That's with my sneakers. Or I love accessories every day, like my earrings and my necklace. Maybe you like to go to practice a certain activity. Then you need certain clothes or shoes for that specific activity, right? So that's number 6, where you give information about that. All right, we're going to practice this now a little bit. This is the part where you have to brainstorm and think a little bit. I hope you are ready to type a little bit. I'm going to put something here in the chat box. Let me quickly do this. Here we go. Everybody can just look in the chat box. Let me just do this. Copy it in the chat box. There we go. All right. I think you will see it. So what we need to do now, right, is try to type in your own style profile, but just the keywords. So all you're going to do in the chat box, you see that I put something in there, right? So you can just copy that and then just add the keywords. Don't write sentences yet, right? So for example, describe how you dress for school or for work. Then you can say, okay, I dress casual, or I dress formal, or I wear a uniform, or anything like that, but just keywords. You don't have to write sentences. Okay, does everybody understand? Ms. Trin, do you understand what to do in the chat box?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, wonderful. So you can just type the keywords and then send it back. And you can use some of these words if you want to, like appearance or dress or formal or casual. You can even use your own words, right? You don't have to use the ones on the screen. Let's give it 1 minute and then I will look at it. All right, so everyone can just type just the keywords for now. Later, we will do the sentences. All right, let's have a look. What is your style profile? This is going to be interesting because everybody has their own style, right? Everybody likes to wear different things. All right, everyone, there's a few seconds left. Let's see. I see there's some 2 chats already there. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, wow. Okay, there's one from Lucy. Okay, there's one. Let me start way from the top. Okay, let's start with Miss Trin. Okay, so Miss Trin, you like to wear casual. Number 2, simple and comfortable, right? So for you, comfortable is the most important thing, right? Very good. What type of clothes do you like to wear? Maybe your favorite ones, a jean and a t-shirt. Sounds good. Yes, nice and comfy. What colors do you like? You like white and blue, not really so much green and purple. Okay. And what's the other one that you said is you don't have, what is number 5? Mention your favorite brands. Okay, so you don't really mind a specific brand, right? That's good. It will give you more options actually to choose from. And then number 6, what information can you give about your daily routine? So you like party dresses, maybe high heels sometimes, some accessories. Okay, so you like to do that sometimes. Um, I like it, Miss Trin. It looks quite good. So you've got the keywords over there. Okay, I'm happy with what you typed in there. It makes a lot of sense. Let's see, Lucy. Who's Lucy? I don't have a, is Lucy?
I yes, I hear.
Oh, okay. Did you join us? Oh, okay. Were you here the whole time or did you just join us now, Miss Lucy?
Yes, I have I went late.
Okay, I'm happy you are here. Well done. I'm so happy that you are here. Great. And I see you even typed already what you like. So let me quickly look at yours for
Yes,
work. Okay, you have to wear a uniform, trousers, office dress, all right. Okay, we're not doing the sentences at yet, but keep this message because we're going to do the sentences later. For now, we just step 1, we just do the keywords for now. Let me see, Miss Hugh, you described formal and professional. You also said comfortable. You like a dress, long skirt, maybe, right? And colors. You like white, black, and pink colors. Good. Okay. I see there. Okay, great. So perfect. I think everybody understands now. So you've got your that we call this the outline, right? You've got the outline now. From step number 1 to 6, you've got the keywords, and this is important. So because now we're going over to the next slide. Let me show you. From over here, we are now going to write a key sentence. Okay. Remember, we are learning to write a style profile. And when we do a style profile, we have to write a sentence, right? Make a sentence with a word. Will also help you a lot with other things that you must type and write. So can we make a sentence with number 1, 2, 3, and 4? So now what you do, right? Like for example, yours, let me just go back to the chat. For example, yours, Miss Catherine, I see yours. Very good. Now, what you will do is you will take those keywords and you make one sentence out of it, right? It's important, everyone, just to make one sentence. Okay. Remember, we are not writing a big essay, with a lot of words. Just one key sentence. So, can we try that now? So you use those keywords that you had, and now what you do for number 1 is you make a key sentence, and you can start with maybe for work, I usually, and then you can say, I usually wear maybe formal clothes. Number 2, you can say, it's important for the clothes to be, maybe you like very stylish clothes, right? Then you will say, it's important for the clothes to be stylish, right? Or comfortable or whatever. Can we do that? I'll give you another 2 minutes to finish. And then I will ask you to read them for the whole class, if you don't mind. All right, everyone. So you know what to do, right? Ms. Jasmine, do you know what to do on this stage? Do you know what to do now?
Yes, I know already.
Okay, perfect. Perfect. Thank you. So from number 1 to 4, everyone, we just write one sentence. Please make sure that you don't write like 3 or 4 sentences, right? For one number. Just one sentence, one number, and then the next one. Thanks, everyone. So we've got 2 minutes to complete this activity. right, I see the mails are coming through. Let's have a look. Okay, so let's see how we're doing in this writing activity, everyone. Okay. Right. Okay, let me see. Okay, here we go. Miss Lucy, do you mind, can you read your sentence for number 1 for us, for the group? All right. Let me ask Miss Lucy, can you read your first sentence, number 1? So now you're going to describe how you dress for school or work. Let's have a look. You can start. Can you tell me number 1? Yes.
Yes. For work, I usually dress formally in uniform shirts, trousers, office dress.
Can you just say again, for work, I usually dress?
Dress formally in uniform.
Okay, formally in uniform, yes.
And
All
shirts,
right. Just like that,
shirts,
is it?
shirts,
Yes.
trousers, office dress.
Such as, are you saying such as, right? Such as
Yes.
an office dress, yes. Okay. Just like that, right? Okay. Such as an office
Shirts,
dress.
trousers. Yes.
Okay. Such as an office dress. All right, perfect. Thank you for that. Okay, that was now Miss Lucy. All right, let's go. Let's try and give everybody a chance to say at least one of their sentences, and then we see what we have in the end. Okay, so Miss Lucy said, for work, I usually dress formally in uniform, such as an office dress. Very good. Now let me ask number 2 for Miss Trin. Miss Trin, can you share what is your sentence for number 2? How you want your
Yeah,
clothes to be? Hmm?
yeah. It's important for clothes to be simple and comfortable.
For clothes, okay, to be simple and comfortable. All right, that's a good number 2. Yes. I must just put number 2 there. I didn't put number 2. Okay, no, that's all right. Okay, number 2, it's important for clothes to be simple and comfortable. Okay, what about number 3? Miss Jasmine, introduce your favorite clothing items.
Okay. Number 3. Some of my favorite clothing items are blouses and skirts.
Can you just say again? What is the
Blouse.
clothes?
No,
Like that?
blouse.
Oh, like blouse, right?
Sorry,
Blouse.
blouse. Blouse
Okay,
and
that's fine.
skirt.
Are let me just make it a better sentence. Some of my favorite items are maybe I can say blouses and skirts because we're talking about more than one, right? So
Right.
we say blouses and skirts. All right, perfect. Very good. Thank you for that one. Okay, Miss Jasmine. So we've got number 1, 2, and 3 already. Number 4, I can ask Miss Hugh. Say the colors you usually don't, or you do wear, or you don't wear. Can you tell me about the colors you like?
I like pink and white. So my sentence is I look good in pink and white. So most of my clothes are white. I don't like the blue because it makes my skin um, darker.
I don't like blue because it makes my skin. What did you say about your skin, Monsieur?
Light skin.
Uh,
Not skin. Sorry, it
darker.
makes my.
Yeah.
Sorry, what did you say? Because it makes my.
It makes my skin, that skin is correct. My skin uh darker. It means
Darker.
yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see. So if you wear blue, then it looks as if, because blue is a dark color, so it looks as if your skin is darker. Is that what you are saying, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay, very good. So you look good in pink and white. Okay, wonderful. Very good. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Miss Catherine, would you mind sharing number 5, your sentence? Mention your favorite brands or clothing stores. Do you have any? Uh,
My my favorite brand is my favorite brands are Uniqlo and Zara. Most of my clothes belong to these brands.
How do I spell that one? Is that correct? Do I spell it correct like that? Okay. And then you said most of my clothing,
My clothes,
most of my clothes, yes, are from these brands. Like that. Okay, very good.
yeah.
Most of my clothes are from these brands, Uniqlo and Zara. Thank you so much. Okay, everyone, we're almost done with our what do we call it again? Our style. Oh, now I forgot the name. But anyway, we are almost done with it. Number 6. Let's try number 6, our last one. Miss Lucy, can you give some information about your daily routine or your special clothes, like things you wear every day almost, or that you like to wear for certain places?
Yes. I am
Mhm.
an active person, so I walk a lot. So I usually wear sneakers. Also, I don't wear accessories because I feel uncomfortable when I do it.
Okay. I don't like to wear accessories. Okay.
Yes.
Because it makes me feel uncomfortable. Okay. All right, everyone. I think we've got a great style that we started over here. Um, yes, just look at that. So that is an example. I mixed everyone's up now, so I know you have your own one, but I mixed the whole thing up now. So I see also Miss Yu, you put in a few good sentences in the chat box. Actually, everybody, I'm reading them now. Miss Catherine, yes. So so these are just examples of. So now you will know how to write one of these styles, right? Whenever you have to do online and you have to talk about your clothes, you can talk. You can say these things, which will be perfect. Let's quickly go to our next slide. I think we have one to go. So everyone, yes, thank you for sharing that. Let's look at our first question. How does Lucian write a style profile? So can we quickly look at number 1? Choose the correct word, and then we will be finished for today. Miss Trin, can you try number 1 with the correct answer, if you don't mind?
Yes.
Number 1,
For work, I usually dress casually.
casually, good. Describe your clothes, right? Number 2, Miss Jasmine.
I think stylish.
Okay, it's
Stylish.
important for clothes to be stylish. Yes, number 2, how do you want your clothes to be? Thank you, Miss Jasmine. Miss Yu, what is number 3?
Some of my favorite clothing items are my red t-shirt and blouses.
Very good. So number 3, we talk about our
Stylish.
favorite clothes.
Stylish.
Thank you, Miss Hugh and Miss Catherine. What would you
Stylish.
say is number 4?
I
Stylish.
look good in red and yellow, so a lot of my outfits are in these colors. None of my
Perfect.
clothes are in black or brown because I don't like dark colors.
Thank you so much. So now we talk in our style profile about the colors we like and don't like. Very good. Thank you, Miss Catherine. And then number 5, we talk about brands, if we have favorites or not. And number 6, we say, do we like also accessories or not? Because remember, in our style profile, they will also look for all these things, including if you add accessories to go with your clothes. So thanks, everyone. Let's quickly look at our objectives. I see our time is up. I think now with confidence, you can use vocabulary about different styles. You can also use quantity expressions. Remember, a lot, none, many, a few, only some of them. All those words, quantity expressions, right? And then number 3, I think now with confidence, you can write your own style profile. And that's that. Everybody, that's it from me. I really enjoyed the lesson. Thank you for sharing your style profile with me today. And I hope you have a very, very good evening. Thanks, everyone, for coming to class.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
teacher.
teacher.
Thank
Good
you,
night.
teacher.
Thanks so much. See
Goodbye,
you next time.
teacher.